Hello everyone, this is Peak Entertainment and we are back again, and here now we have another drawing video for you, and here you will see the completed colours of my earlier drawing of Kenshiro from Fist of the North Star, and I will put that picture on the screen right here for you now. So now you will see all the various contrasts and tones that I will add when completing the colours for this earlier piece. More drawings coming soon in this particular series include the likes of Rogue, Batman, Red Sonja and Piccolo as well. So those will be the next 4 drawings in this series, but if you have a favourite character of yours that you would like to see me draw in the future, just let me know within the comments of this video, or you can contact me on my other social media platforms, on my Instagram or my Deviant profiles, and I will leave the links with all of those within the description as well. You can also look at those profiles to check out all of my other various artwork pieces, and if you have a favourite piece that you like, then drop a comment on those profiles as well. Please also hit those like and subscription and notification buttons so I can provide you with more high quality content like this in the future. But that's it for now. Take care of yourselves, stay at safe distances, and enjoy my coloured drawing of Kenshiro.
Produced by Uneedbeatz. Produced by Uneedbeatz. Produced by Uneedbeatz. Produced by Uneedbeatz.